In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a column in Microsoft Project. Now, in Microsoft Project on the desktop, you don't actually delete columns the way you might in a spreadsheet. Instead, you hide them from the current view. This keeps your data safe and intact while letting you clean up the screen so you can focus on what matters. Start by making sure you're in a sheet-style view where columns are visible, such as Gantt chart or task sheet. These views show your tasks or resources in a table layout with column headers like task name, duration, start, and finish. If you don't see a table of columns, switch to Gantt chart from the View tab and you'll be in the right place. When you're ready to remove a column from sight, move your cursor to the header at the top of that column. Right-click the header, the gray bar that shows the field name, and choose Hide Column. The column disappears from your current table, and your view becomes cleaner. Importantly, nothing is deleted from your project. The underlying field and all of its values remain in the file, your schedules and calculations keep working as before, and any reports or other views that use that field are unaffected. If you change your mind immediately after hiding a column, you can press Ctrl+Z to undo and bring it right back. That undo shortcut works best if you use it right away, just like undoing any other recent action. If you want to show a hidden column again later, decide where you want it to appear. Right-click the header of a column that's next to the spot where you want the field to return. Choose Insert Column. You'll see a list of fields. Start typing the name of the field you want, like Start, Finish, or Cost, or scroll to find it, then select it. The column will appear at that location with all its original data, exactly as it was before you hit it. Remember, hiding a column affects only the current table layout for the view you're in. It's a safe way to streamline what you see without risking your data. If your table feels crowded, you can hide less used fields and keep the essentials front and center. And if you need a field back, Insert Column makes it quick to restore. That's all there is to it. Hide a column to remove it from view, undo if needed, and reinsert it when you want it back, all while keeping your project data intact.